Now let's solve this problem. Tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first let me write down the LHS. Solution. What is the LHS? Tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, and we have to prove that this one is equal to this one. Okay, now tan square theta, how can I write? Tan theta, we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? Therefore tan square theta, what it will become? Sin square theta divided by cos square theta, right? So, this tan square theta, I will write it as sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Nothing in the denominator, so I will take it as 1. Now, let's take the LCM. Cos square theta and 1. What is the LCM? Cos square theta is the LCM, right? Cos square theta is the LCM. Whole divided by, then what it will become? Sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Sin square theta into cos square theta, because cos square theta is the LCM. Okay. Now, take common. Now say which is common here? Sin square theta, it is common in both. So, now let's take sin square theta common. Sin square theta. Then what is left here? 1 minus sin square theta, it is common. So, what is left? Cos square theta. Okay. Whole divided by cos square theta, that is sin square theta. Now look at this, 1 minus cos square theta. We know the standard formula of trigonometric identity. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is equal to what? Then what it will become? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? Therefore, this 1 minus cos square theta, I can write it as sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, I will write it as sin square theta. Sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta. Now, look at RHS. Here, what we have to prove? Tan square into sin square theta. Now look at this. This one, I can write it as sin square theta divided by cos square theta into sin square theta, right? Then, already I told you, sin square theta by cos square theta, it is nothing but what? Tan square theta. Therefore, this one I will write it as tan square theta into sin square theta. That is what our RHS, right? We have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.